Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a plastic bottle like this and draw the lines over it in the wavy way, and then you have to cut it out with the help of a knife like this. So cut it very carefully, or just we are making the holes and separate it like this. Now after you get this shape and make the holes on it and on the downside to fix it like this. So cut it from the between again. Now make the holes on it as well to hang it with the thread. So fix the jute thread on the sides and hang them together like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be making these beautiful DIY pots or plant containers you can use at your home. So take the plastic bottles, cut them, and then you have to paste it like this. So make the holes on it so that you can fix the thread inside it like this and fix it with the other bottle to hang it. So after fixing it like this on the sides, we can use the clips which we use to tie the plastics. So fix it like this, make a hole on the bottom to hang it with the thread, and it's done. Next, take a big container like this and make the lines on it and then cut it out. Now after separating it by drawing the lines over it like this, we'll be putting some dots over it. You can make the dots with the heating object. Take a thin stick and heat it and then put it over the plastic, it will melt. So now after that, draw the lines over it and remove it like this. Cut them with the help of the scissors. So now after cutting it, we will be making its handle by putting it on the sides and fix it with the thread or these clips like this. Fix it properly and cut the extra part. Now make the holes on the downside to let water flow out of the container, and it's done. Next, take the plastic bottle and you have to cut it like this from the between. Now after cutting it out, we have to make the holes like this, and from the top we'll also giving it a shape. So cut it like this from the bottom as well. So now after that, you have to put it over it like this and paste it. So you can make a hole like this over it and remove the bottom section of it and fix the upper part of the bottle over it like this to make it stand, and close it with the cap. Make the holes on the cap, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this pot. So take a mud pot and a plastic bottle, cut it from the between like this after drawing the lines on it. Now after that, we have to make the holes on it. So you can cut it very easily with the knife. You do not need this object, or you can purchase it from the market as well. So now after, fold it from the sides and fill the mud inside it, and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a plastic bottle and then you have to cut it out like this with the knife or this heating object. So after cutting it like this, we'll be getting a part out of it like this, and then make the holes on it, or just cut the bottom part as well and fix it with the cap by drawing a circle in the between, and then cut the removing part as well. Remove it as shown in the video, and then you have to fix it by putting the dots. Fold it like this and then fix it on the downside, put the cap to close it and make the holes on the cap, and it's done. Next, we'll be making this pot. So for that, we'll be needing a plastic container, and then you have to make the cutting piece from the bottom section like this. So remove the round part from the downside. So now after removing it, we'll be making the holes on the sides of it like this. So after making the holes, put it over a container like this and put the pieces, like you can use these to make grow the coriander leaves. Thanks for watching our video.